Hi, everyone. Welcome to day 19 of 25 Days of Essentialism. My name's Jeff. I'm a business and executive coach. And today we are on chapter 18 entitled Flow, the Genius of Routine. And I got to say right off the bat that I was convicted when I read this chapter because he has a lot of great things to say on how routine can really help us. And I've realized I need to add in and create some new routines and kind of break some routines that I currently have. So at the top of page 206, he says this, without routine, the pull of non-essential distractions will overpower us. But if we create a routine that enshrines the essentials, we will begin to execute them on autopilot. That is really good. And I like that visual image of, create routines that enshrine the essentials. So the routine that we have, the focus of that routine, it elevates the essential things. And then once we have that, we're kind of on autopilot. It's a great visual picture. A little lower, he says, we must simply expend a small amount of initial energy to create a routine. And then all that is left to do is follow it. So it's a little work up front, but then we've created something that really is powerful and moves us forward. So this was a great chapter. I love what he said about how in creating a routine, there's really a cue, the actual routine, and then a reward, and how we can create these triggers or cues that launch us into this new routine that we want to do. That was really good. And, when he said also do the hard thing first, and I was thinking about this, I would say, it's like do the hard thing when you're most energized during the day. Maybe that's in the morning for you. Maybe that's in the evening for you. I don't know. But just make the system you have, the routine you have, really streamline the whole process. So this is a great chapter. I'd appreciate you can just put in the notes what you thought was really good. I know for me, what my action is, I need to kind of ponder and think about, okay, what routines do I need to create that will really enshrine and elevate what's really essential to me? All right, it's a good homework. Okay, guys, talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.